Good morning, myself Sreedi Srinivas from J Batch. Today we are dealing about our course Crop Production Technology of Kharif Crops. Okay, our crop is Sesame, scientific name is Sesame indicum in the family Pedalaceae, known as the queen of oilseeds. We can go through the morphology. Okay, this is the economic part of our crop. This is known as capsule. When we cut capsule, it contains 4 rows. Inside each row, our sesame seeds are present. And I am going to tell about the plot dimension. Plant distance is 15 centimeter and row distance is 30 centimeter. Coming to the morphology, capsule is the economic part. This is our flower of sesame crop. This is in whitish pinkish color and is in bell shaped.
Hi guys, I'm Karthika from JBatch, bearing the ID number Kara 2024-309. So yeah, I'm here to saying about the all land preparation and sowing. So first we did all the plowing and the leveling to get a fine tilth, and we sown our crop at March 13, and the spacing of our crop is just 15 into 30 centimeter with a seed, right, 3 to 5 kilogram per hectare. So yeah, by coming to the fertilizer application, there are two types of fertilizer application. First one, basal application and top dressing. Basal application is somewhat 40 kilogram nitrogen, 20 kilogram phosphorus and potassium. Half of nitrogen should be applied at the time of sowing, and the second one is top dressing. The remaining half of nitrogen should be applied after sowing. That is about the fertilizer application of our sesame crop. So yeah, by coming to the irrigation requirement, sesame crop is somewhat drought tolerant, but it responds well to irrigation, but just avoid the waterlogging conditions. It is highly sensitive to excessive moisture. So by coming to the critical stages, first one is germination and establishment, and you can see the branching stages of our crop and flower initiation, a purplish whitish color flower initiation at 35 to 45 days after sowing, and you can see the capsule formation and seed filling. Inside the capsule formation there is seed filling, and capsules are directly attached to the stem. No any other attachments other, it is directly attached to the stem. Then coming to the critical stages of sesame crop, first one is germination, then seedling establishment, and mainly the vegetative growth, flower initiation, flowering, capsule development, and maturity and harvesting. That is the critical stages of our sesame crop. Yeah, so our weed management, critical period of weed competition is 15 to 30 days after sowing. Yeah, these are the common weeds that are growing in our crop, and you can see the parthenium weed and some echinoclea, amaranthus viridius, broadleaved weeds and grasses. These are the weeds that are commonly grown in almost every crops field. Yeah, that's all about the weed competition, and yeah, we should maintain our plot by removing all the weeds. So coming to the herbicides or weedicides, there are two types, pre-emergence and post-emergence. Pre-emergence mainly contain the pendimethalin, and post-emergence, if needed only, it can be done, or otherwise no need of that.
Okay, then we are going to the harvesting stage. For harvesting, the symptom is when the lower leaves become yellow. You can see the lower leaves become yellow, and capsule also turn yellow. This is the stage of harvesting. Next is how to harvest. We usually cut the plants in the ground level. Okay, from here we cut the plants at the ground level and making a bundle and put straight for drying. Okay, after cutting the plants, making the small bundles and stacking it upright, after that we want to do threshing. Threshing means beating our plants to release the capsules.
So seeds should be dried thoroughly, and the moisture content is up to 6 to 8% only. It should be dried thoroughly, and the dried seeds are kept in a clean dry containers for our after use, or else we can put in a gunny bags for our after use and after applications. So that's all about our harvesting, post harvesting and storage conditions. So yeah, that's all about our sesame crop that we cultivated in our plot. So thank you.